Assalamu alaikum. Hi, welcome to Bina's Food Hub. Today's recipe is Shinwari Chicken Karahi, a flavor-packed, unique tasting chicken curry with only 5 ingredients in just a few simple steps. An insanely delicious, quick and super easy chicken karahi which you'll be rushing back to cook time and time again. So let's get started. In a large pan, add 1 cup of animal fat cut into small pieces. Melt on low to medium heat. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Once most of the animal fat has melted, add 1 whole chicken cut into pieces and sprinkle a pinch of salt on the chicken pieces for seasoning. Fry until golden brown. This should take around 10 minutes on medium heat, turning halfway. When the chicken pieces are golden brown, add in 2 large tomatoes cut into wedges and close the lid for 5 minutes on low heat. Once the 5 minutes are up and the tomatoes have slightly softened, crush each tomato wedge in the pan. Then add salt to taste, along with 4 green chillies. Slice the chillies up if you wish for a spicy karahi. Mix the karahi well. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat or until the chicken is cooked. Shinwari Chicken Karahi is ready. Serve immediately with naan or roti and your favourite side. Have a go at making this and let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe button, like and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.